Welcome back, guys. Today's tutorial is on how to create a YouTube banner with Canva, but this is on a laptop. My last tutorial was creation of a YouTube banner with a phone but using PicArt, and this is how Canva actually looks like, but I'll be using a Canva Pro, so this is for all Canva Pro users. And so let's click on the blank page and let's get designing, because Canva itself, it's so amazing with different designs. So for now, we're going to upload our pictures from wherever we downloaded them. I actually downloaded the YouTube template from Google Chrome, as well as my minimalistic aesthetic background. And so we're going to resize the blank page, and the size is 2560 to 1440. So we are just going to resize what we have, so we ensure that our banner actually fits into our channel. And so guys, we're going to select the YouTube banner template and we're going to stretch. We ensure that it actually covers the whole blank page. Then up next, we're going to select our aesthetic background, and this time we're going to crop it to ensure that it actually covers where you have the desktop version, like the size. We're going to crop it to actually fit to the size, and after doing that, we're going to stretch it out so that it's going to cover the whole area. Up next, what we're going to do is actually we're going to add our pictures, but this time around I'm going to be using the background remover, and this is for only Canva Pro users. If you don't have a Canva Pro, you can actually remove the background using PicArt before sending the file to your laptop to edit it, but this is actually much faster. That's why I like Canva Pro. Then we're going to crop the picture and ensure it fits into the template. The same thing goes for the second picture, though it takes a while. Actually, trust me, it takes a while because of network. But we're going to remove the background again for the second picture, and then we're going to actually crop it and also impute it just like how we did for the first picture. You can actually decide to use any picture that you want. And some people don't actually use pictures, just use logos. So you can actually use logo. Just ensure that you crop the logo in a way that it fits into the template. Up next, I'm going to add a heading, and the heading is going to be my YouTube channel name, which is That Girl Toyin. My name is Toyin, so we're going to actually fit it well into the banner so it not take enough space, like it should not be the one only in the banner. We're going to actually put it to fit into it. Then up next, we're going to play with the font size, play with effects, we're going to play with the colors, we're going to play with so many things, because this is where you have to get your creative side out. You need to be very, very creative with things like this. Like, people actually seeing what your channel is all about, so you have to be very, very creative. They need to see that bubbling side of you. And I love so many effects. There is none, shadow, lift, a lot of effects, curve, glitch, a lot of spice, holo, echo, a lot of different effects. But I'm going to be using the glitch effects. I just like the glitch effect. It's just so, I don't know, it actually has, like, when you have different layers. I just love things with glitch. But neon, to me, neon is just so bright, and I don't want people to be blinded by my channel. But anyway, we're going to be using glitch for it. So love the glitch effect. I'm going to play with the offset as well as the direction. Then up next, what we're going to add to our channel is adding a subheading, and the subheading will be what your channel is all about. My own channel is all about entertainment, where I do my reaction videos, I do challenges, I do movie reviews, I do a lot of things entertaining on entertainment. Then tips are like my tips on YouTube growth, or for example, now this creation of a YouTube banner is actually a tip that all YouTubers, upcoming YouTubers need to know. Then lifestyle. My lifestyle is going to be basically on anything I think of, be it storytelling. Like, my lifestyle is just like the video I made on what struggles, or the struggles YouTubers, small YouTubers actually face when it comes to the creation and the editing of the videos. Once you have typed out what your channel is all about, you can the same thing, play with the font, play with the font size, play with the colors, play with everything. And also, I really love Canva because you can actually increase the letter height and also the space between the letters. Then up next, this time around, just have to freestyle, because you're going to be downloading a lot of things, but ensure that you actually download the subscribe button, because really it's actually very important so that people actually subscribe to your channel once they see your banner. And your banner has to be has to be very, very nice for people to actually subscribe to it. Like, you have to be very creative. So this stage actually depends on you. You have to bring your creative side out of you, because that's what people really, really, really want to see. And so I'm going to be using a lot of effects, a lot of things on my channel. I'm going to be using different kind of font size for my channel. So it just depends on you. Just pick the one that actually suits you. I'm going to be using the subscribe button, I'm going to be using the YouTube banner, I'm going to use everything that I see. But really, this actually depends on you. Like, it really, 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 really depends on you. You can actually freestyle. This is just a moment for you to just freestyle. Like me right now, I'm just freestyling my way. And so guys, this is actually going to be the outcome, but this is how Canva actually looks like. So you can actually download of things, but ensure you have good network connection. So Nigerians, Americans, everybody watch my video, you can actually do that to your banner. And this is how my template looks like. It is so beautiful and I'm so in love with it. But guys, thank you guys. You can actually download it, and I downloaded mine and it actually worked out fine. So guys, thank you for watching. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye. Thank you.